Students at the Bishop Charles Gatchet Roman Catholic Primary School had the opportunity to cultivate their talents through a masterclass led by a Latin band from Caracas, Venezuela. Principal Alison Lewis commended the youngsters for embracing the unique experience.
Children always remember events and experiences which are different and meaningful, and today will be one which they will carry forever. I wish to thank all of you who have taken your time to be part of this session today. El Cuatro, Caracas, gracias por su tiempo y su interés en nuestros jóvenes músicos. I hope I did that okay. It was very good. Thank you for your time and your interest in our students. It is always a pleasure to partner with persons and groups who are interested in our students and their development.
The masterclass was facilitated through El Sistema, Venezuela's publicly financed voluntary music education program.
The philosophy of El Sistema that we have in Venezuela is not only to teach the students, it's not only to do music. You can be a wonderful musician, but at the same time, you can be a very constant person, a leader of your community, a leader of your family. Is some values that the Sistema is giving us for 50 years. We have 50 years in Venezuela with this organization, and we wanted to share with you the best things from our El Sistema.
The Cultural Development Foundation, CDF, aims to establish platforms for creatives to flourish through its developmental programs. Executive Director Ramona Henry Wynn encouraged the young participants to pursue their musical passions.
Because you hear all the negative things about children from communities, quote-unquote, so-called ghettos, and you know out of those communities comes great talent. It's for us to hone the skills. It's for us to massage them. It's for us to ensure that we create the avenues and the platforms so that they will thrive and they will grow. And for me, this morning, I want to say to the children, if you love music and it's in your soul, go for it. Don't worry what anybody says that the arts won't feed you. The arts can feed you, and Fortua Caracas is proof that they can make money from playing music.
Castries East Member of Parliament and Prime Minister Philip J. Pierre praised the dedication of educators in nurturing young talent.
I understand how teachers are dedicated. I understand how teachers take their students seriously. So I really want to thank the teachers and the principal of that school, because I know the pressures you're under, I know how difficult it is, and I know what you go through. So I really want to thank you. So students, I want to give your teachers a round of applause. And music is part of how children get reoriented.
The Bishop Charles Gatchet String Orchestra comprises students ranging in age from 5 to 10, spanning from kindergarten to grade 4. Gina Philippi, HTS News Force.